Snapped some amazing shots with your Nikon D7200 and can't wait to share them on your phone? Transferring photos from your camera to your smartphone might seem complex, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Here's how you can beam those great images straight to your phone without a hitch. Step 1. Install the app download and install the Nikon Wireless Mobile Utility app on your phone. This app is available for both Android and iOS devices. Make sure your phone's Wi-Fi is turned on. Step 2. Connect the wireless adapter. Turn on your camera and navigate to the menu. In the menu, go under Setup menu and turn on the Wi-Fi option. Step 3. Connect your phone to the camera. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone and look for the network emitted by your Nikon D7200. It might appear with a name like Nikon, followed by a series of numbers. Connect to this network. Step 4. Launch the app. Once your phone is connected to the camera's Wi-Fi, open the Nikon Wireless Mobile Utility app. Step 5. Transfer your photos. Within the app, select View Photos to access the images stored on your camera. Choose the photos you want to transfer by selecting them individually or tapping Select All for a batch transfer. Then, hit Download to start transferring the selected images to your phone. Step 8. Disconnect and store safely. Once you've transferred all your desired photos, disconnect from the camera's Wi-Fi in your phone's settings. And just like that, you've got your fabulous Nikon D7200 shots right on your phone, ready to be edited or shared with the world. Enjoy showing off your photography skills.